Dang, she is dirty. Well, that's going to have to happen later because today we're going to the bank. The bank of the slough, that is. So, back before motorcycles took over, I actually used to fish 3-4 times a week at least. Alright, so this is what I'm thinking. 1 anchovy per spot, 15 to 20 minutes tops, and the spots have to be public fishing piers because I don't have a fishing license. I've fished once since I've been riding bikes. That's how bad the obsession of bikes was, or is. Alright, I got everything except I didn't bring a stupid pocket knife.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete.
Alright, out here at Montezuma, at one of the public fishing piers. Me and my buddies used to fish here all the time. I remember last time I was here though, there was quite a bit of snags. So
What I'm supposed to do, I can't help myself. Little by little, piece by piece.
pretty much the setup, just a little tiny sliding weight with a swivel, anchovy with a little string on it. I don't have much line, so I'm not going to be casting out too far. And I didn't come prepared with a knife.
No, you wouldn't take what's not yours. If you know who I am, when the night will fall, I'll haunt your dream. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete.
Had a little bit better suspension.
Little by little, piece by piece.
I'm sure everyone thinks this, but looks like a good spot. Just had a little shiver. Not me, the pole.
Piece by piece, I take back. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back. Little by little, piece by piece.
Yeah, buddy.
I got my eyes on you, and you got no clue
Shaker McGrath.
what I'm supposed to do. I can't help.
Well, damn, I guess I gotta try again.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete.
Woohoo! 2 shakers. I'll take it. Woohoo, 1 o'clock. Also excited about going fishing and hooking into something or anything that I completely forgot to eat. Let's go up the road and see what people are doing down here.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me.
Any luck, guys? No, good luck out there. Once you see that big ass seal coming through here, yeah, ain't no big fish now. Good luck.